about a foot. Okay, I have a record of it now. Record to cloud or record on this computer?
Recording in progress.
Okay, we're connecting the hoses to the machine. 3 short 1 meter 3/8 hoses are for pigtails to strain relief so that you can't damage the hoses. So they're connected to the bottom of the manifold. The S tag is for the flush line, or it used to be solvent or water flush. In this case, it's water. That's labeled with white tape. The 2 main hoses are connected to the main outlet valves. The red marked hose is the base line, the blue marked hose is the hardener line, and they go onto the manifold. The 3/4 inch hoses are very, very stiff and quite heavy.
Hard to do it with you able to see.
Yeah, I know, it's okay, that's good. So these are connected and using 2 32mm spanners are tightened up when you're ready to go with that.
There's a 27 on the male.
Then you need a 27 for 1/2 inch fittings, you need a 22mm for 3/8 and 19mm for 1/4. These are in the toolkit anyway. So the white marked hose you can see there is the flush line. The other 2 are the water circulating lines for the heating of the hose assembly. They are not marked because it's just water in and water out. There is a valve for the water, a low pressure valve. There's a high pressure valve on the S line, the water flush line, which is the one connected to the white hose. The A base hose has a female hose end on the machine end and a male end on the mixer block end. And conversely, the blue line, the hardener line, has a male connection to the machine and a female connection to the mix block. So as long as you maintain the opposite, it's okay, it won't be a problem. You must never connect a base line and an activator line together because you will mix the materials and cause a major curing exercise in the machine. The most dangerous point to do this work, the most worrying point to do this is the return line marked G and Y. So the base return must go to the base tank, and you must check this carefully because otherwise you would connect the base return to the hardener tank, which would be very bad, or the activator return to the base tank, which would be very bad. You would mix the 2 tanks. So you must always make sure that the line from the return hose, the G line and the Y line go to the correct tank. We can tape those red, green and blue, yellow to show where they go back to the right tank. Who's coming in? See, admit. Oh, we're missing one.
Recording stopped.
Okay, so you can see here we've got the 2 lines coming onto the mixer manifold, the outlet manifold, sorry. The red base line, we've marked the valve red. Above it you can see the return valve, and then on the blue line you've got the blue or hardener line connected to the blue valve, which has also got the return valve on top of it. That return valve, 2 of them, the red return and the blue return, they must be in good condition and they will need changing. You cannot repair those valves. About probably